Okay, the first thing you want to do when you're playing this game is you want to put the white spaces in order. So you're going to put the F at the bottom, then the A, and then the C, and then the E. Okay, now I made this with paper, so it's not quite as stable as if you had it with more of like a cardboard or something. All right, then you give this to the student, and you kind of mix it up, and then you'll hand it to the student, and then they have to put it in order really fast. So as fast as they can put it in order, they put it in order. And as you can tell, paper doesn't work as well. Okay, so when you're just doing the white spaces, it doesn't matter if there's spaces in between, because you're not going to be putting the black lines in there. Now, the next thing I do with the students is I teach them about B. And the B line is a nice one to start with, because if you put the B line, and you can see I have a dark, mine's purple because I didn't have any black, but usually we make these out of black and then we put a sticker right in the middle so you can write the letter name in. So if you put the B line in the middle, you can notice that it goes A, B, C. So that's kind of a self-correction. So if you put it up here, it would be C, B, A, E. So that doesn't make sense. That's not alphabetical. So if you put it there, then it's A, B, C. So you can double check yourself. Okay, then the next thing I do is I teach them about E, and see, if I put EE there, it would be EE. So it's really down here, EF, EF. And again, if I put F here, it would be FF. So we have EF up there. So you notice we have an EF and an EF. And so that's self-correcting. All right, then once the person can do this, and the way that we would do that is we gather the lines and kind of mix them up as best we can. Then gather the spaces and mix them up as best you can. And then I put the lines on top of the spaces, and I always make sure that the letters are aiming up, you know, that they're all in the same direction. Okay, so I put it in a little packet like this. I hand it to the student, and then in our class, in the college class, we time it, but with a younger student, you might not want to do that. I set aside the lines. I do the spaces first, because the spaces are easier, because they spell a name, or a word, not a name, unless your name is Face, which probably no one's named Face. Okay, and then you're going to have your B line, and then I go EF, EF. Okay, and then once I can do that pretty easily and consistently, then I add the D and the G line. So the G line goes below, and you could go EFG. That's one thing. Some people say gab, you know. Everyone has their own little thing that they memorize it. Helpful memorization tools. Okay, here's D up here, so C, D, E. And so once they can do the 3 lines, then we add the D and the G. So you'll pick those up and you'll mix them up. And then you set those aside and you mix these up. And you stack the black lines on top of the white spaces. And then you're going to hand that to the person. And I always separate the lines from the spaces, and then I do my line. And you can go a lot faster if it's cardboard. Okay, then I've got my CE. Okay, so I've got my face, and I'm doing this with one hand, so it's not the speediest. Okay, now I know that I could just do it out of sequence. I don't have to do the B first. I could do the E. Whatever I get first, I put down, okay, so E, F, E, F, then I've got my D above the G. And the reason I teach it non-sequentially is because when you read music, you don't read it sequentially. You don't have to go E, G, B, D, F, or E, E, F, G, A, B to find the B. You want to just be able to tell what it is. You don't want to have to always count up. E, F, G, A, B, E, F, G, A, B. A lot of beginning students will do that rather than just memorizing the lines and spaces non-sequentially. So this game trains you to think non-sequentially, and so that's my student objective, is to get students to read music and identify the lines and spaces, the letter names of the lines and spaces in a non-sequential manner. Okay?